if FSD can figure it out. It sees that there's a car coming, and this is going to be probably the most difficult part. And it said navigation ending. Oh my gosh, and I just put the indicator on and it figured it out. Look, it's turning into the garage for me. This is nuts. Okay, all right. At this point I would probably take over, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna let it go. It says navigation complete. So now we are still on FSD, but I have tapped the accelerator to get me through that little barrier, which is nuts. And okay, here we go. We're gonna see if we're gonna end trip. So now FSD is running by itself, no navigation. It says that there's 10 spots available at this Tysons corner mall here. So I'm not sure if the car is going to make a right or left, so we can see that based on this map right here. First, it's going to come to a full stop, and I'm taking over now because there's people behind me and there's a car right there. So per safety, I am going to take over at this moment. Why are you going to honk at me? There's someone here. So the person behind me is honking now at this point. Don't know what they're honking about. Anyways, here we are. So it says that there's 10 spots available, and we're gonna see if we could just go ahead and snag one. And there is a spot available right down here where there's no Tesla cars next to it. So let's see if we can just go ahead and grab that spot. And I'm gonna let the car try to park itself over there and see how this goes. So here we go. We're gonna try to self-park into the supercharger. See how this works. And yeah, it's doing a really good job here actually. So self-parking into the supercharger. And wow, look at that, man, that's pretty amazing, honestly. All right, let's see how long it takes now for me to actually plug in and what the stats are looking like on it. So it's saying 20 minutes remaining. That's I don't even need to be. I'm gonna try to just be here for like 5 minutes, honestly. So yeah, just like that. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. FSD videos on the way. Of course, once I get the update, I will definitely update you all. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.